Welcome to my world. My name's Zeke. We're in St. James, and the sun is shining on that beautiful roof. This house is a 60-year-old house, and this is the third roof, and it's going to last for a long, long time. We had a lot of rain in the last couple of months, and my wife noticed the cracks in the ceiling. She noticed drops of rain falling through the skylights that we have. We have 3 skylights over here, and the skylights are fine. It was the roof that needed replacement. So the first time Spike came down here, and he introduced us to Rapid Restore and its capabilities and its history and how long they've been in business, that professionalism got our attention right away. Once they got here, an hour before they were supposed to, everything got into motion. And everybody knew their task, knew what to do, and the teamwork was extraordinary. The work that they did, these guys are skilled. They're very skilled in what they do. And everything they did was precision, complete, and accurate. And that's what I'm concerned about. When I walked around for safety purposes to make sure nobody steps on nails and any kind of debris, everything was pristine clean. I didn't have to do any extra work after they left, which is unbelievable. I was very impressed with the way they worked together, and I was very impressed with what happened after they left, because we had a lot of rain in this area. My wife was sitting in the living room when it was raining, and she looked up and she didn't see any drops of water. And boy, did that relax her emotions. Happy wife, happy life. I knew we made the right decision. When a woman is satisfied, if the husband is satisfied, and the price is right, and the job is done right, guaranteed for a lifetime. If you want a job done properly, within budget, safely, speedily, I highly recommend Rapid Restore.